What is injection molding? From smartphone casings to automotive parts, injection molding is everywhere. How does it transform plastic pellets into parts of various shapes? Hello everyone, welcome to IT manufacture. Today we will take you into the world of injection molding and uncover its secrets. Injection molding is a manufacturing process where molten plastic is injected into a mold, cooled, and solidified to form the desired part. The typical process flow of injection molding includes mold clamping, injection pressure holding, cooling, mold opening, and ejection. Injection molding offers the following advantages: high production efficiency, enables automated production with high efficiency, low cost, more cost effective compared to other processing methods, capable of forming complex parts, can produce parts with intricate shapes and fine structures. Wide material selection utilizes various plastic materials to meet diverse needs. Excellent surface quality achieves smooth and aesthetically pleasing surfaces. Injection molding is widely applied across various fields such as electronics and electrical appliances. For example, smartphone casings and computer keyboards, automotive manufacturing, including car dashboards and bumpers, medical devices, such as syringes and infusion tubes, daily necessities, such as plastic bottles and toys. IT manufacture is equipped with advanced injection molding equipment and technology, providing customers with high-quality injection molding services. Contact us to learn more.